Hello, welcome to Qimen My name is Douglas Chan, Qimen teacher. So today we're going to touch base on a tutorial related to this direct wealth. So I'm using a Qimen chart which you are seeing now. Based on the birthday of the person, I'm going to teach you how to see a direct wealth of a person. So when I mean direct wealth means it's talking about anything related to business. Nothing to do with career, nothing to do with anything in terms of investment. Direct wealth means business. That means if they were to start a business, what will happen, why is it, and how is it, and when is it. All this we'll be able to see from a Qimen chart. So today I'm going to give you a very brief information about how to see basing on this chart in terms of relationship. So every person in a chart there will be a day stamp, that means representing themselves. So the themselves is actually over here. So this is the day stamp. Always go for the day stamp and look at the symbol what's inside them. So there's this thing called the Ji. So Ji, because this guy is actually born in 1991, and at this point of time is 2022. So we are talking about somewhere around 30 years old. 30 years old, he will be over here in this situation. So box number 2, this is himself. So himself is together with a live door. Live door means this is a business situation. Business is together within the box 2, which also means that it's going to be a cohesive environment. That means very uh, good environment for him to do business if he were to go into business. Unless he goes to work for somebody, then he may not be able to maximize the potential in this aspect. And if you were to see this leader, leader also means nobleman. Somebody is able to help him. Somebody is going, whereby they may be wealthy enough to support him. But take note that there's this impulse. Impulse, it can be good or bad depending on which angle you look at it. That means when you make profit, you do business, you can make a lot of money at a very fast time. Or at the same time, the profit that you make itself, you can actually lose money, within a very short time also. So that means it can be washed away in this aspect. That means your money, your wealth, in terms of direct wealth, will be washed away. But also we talk about money over here. That means money is together with him. So which means that he will also able to accumulate money if he were to do a business. So generally it's quite a very nice situation for this person if he were to go into business. So next is, let's say if he grows older, let's say 35 years old, 40 years old, then it's a different story altogether already. So let us look further into this. Let's say for example, we based on this chart, look at the G also. And if we will say this person is like somewhere around 40 years old, so this is over here. His direct wealth is still the same, which is the life door. At the same time, this basically the box 2 is a earth element. This is earth element, and here is a water element. So in this case, basing on the 5 element relationship, the earth actually clashes with the water, or indirectly some people they call it the earth controls the water, whichever terminology you use. Basically it means the same, which means that the profit, the business, the direct wealth is going to clash with the person. So which means that when the person goes older, 40 years old and above, his relationship with business will no longer so good anymore. In fact, it's going to be very bad. So much so that he may not make money. Whatever money he makes in terms of business may not be able to hold on. You see, why am I so sure is that here is the bandit star. That means he likes to, there's a very high tendency for him to lose money also. And at the same time, due to the fact that he's a view door person, he is going to spend a lot of money in terms of entertainment, in terms of looking good, being good, buy branded items, enjoying himself. So that is where things get a little bit more tricky in life. You see, so a lot of the things inside the chart we can see basing on the character, basing on the relationship, and we're going to portray and forecast what is likely going to happen in their life. And then from there, how are we going to do and what are we going to do to make their life even better if we know that this kind of thing are going to happen, you see. So this is for the tutorial for direct wealth under this case itself. Do continue to see my other case study on the direct wealth. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Douglas Chan.